Welcome to week 2 of the History of Art online. This week we will be focusing on learning about the elements of art and the first step of art criticism. Let's take a look at the 4 steps to art criticism. It is here under additional resources. And as you use this document, you'll want to read the introductory section and then also take a good look at those 4 steps. We will focus this week on step 1, which is description. In subsequent weeks, we will address analysis, interpretation, and evaluation. You see the art elements here are a part of the describing step of the 4 steps of art criticism. So when we describe a work of art, we will want to include its title, author, and the size that it is in real life, just so that we can have a sense of what it would be like to be standing in front of it. You will want to describe what you see, the content, whatever is in the artwork, the elements, and we will work on building vocabulary so that you can talk about each of those elements as you describe the work of art using the correct vocabulary and theory for each element. Then also we look at how the painting or how the artwork was actually created, or the mode. And then also the materials used, or the media. Those will comprise the parts of actually describing works of art. Our opening activity for this week will be to look at the psychology of color and actually think about how that might apply to you in your everyday life. We will also have an opportunity to be creative this week. One of your assignments is to create a color wheel. Please don't stress about this. It should be fun. Be imaginative in how you choose to create and photograph the color wheel to share with your classmates. We also have a couple of quiz activities in this week. Those are not part of your evaluation for the course. They are actually learning tools. So you'll find that there are hints and multiple attempts possible so that you can actually learn from doing those activities. And then as well, in your weekly reflection, we will look again at the skills that you have used in describing and looking closely at artworks and how that might apply to whatever your chosen field of endeavor is. I hope you enjoy this week's activities, and if you have any questions, please remember that you can post questions here within the question forum, to which you will get a response within 24 hours. Thank you and have a good week.